Yeah. Hello.
Hi. I want this. Which one do you like?
Hello, mommy.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Wait.
Yes.
Ang best friend ni Faye, Andini.
Tim. Hello, Faye.
Hi. And best friend.
Oh, introduce your
Best friend.
best friend.
Her name is Cara. And she's 7 years old. 6 or 7.
You want more? Hi.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. I want this. Which one do you like?
Hello, mommy.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Wait.
Yes.
Ang best friend ni Faye, Andini.
Tim. Hello, Faye.
Hi.
And best friend.
Oh, introduce your
Best friend.
best friend.
Her name is Cara. And she's 7 years old. 6 or 7.
You want more? Hi. I'm done.
Ayoko hindi pa nag-uumpisa, na daw siya. Kain tayo!
Merry Christmas pie. Pie, this is how we celebrate Christmas. Eat food. Eating food. And I'm getting all the food. you want rice? Ano? I want more. More aleka?
Pansit. We call pansit this noodle.
Why?
Teka lang kuya. Saglit lang kuya, inay.
In Thai, you have something like this too.
What? Which one?
นี่ไงแบบนี้
Which
ผัด
one?
อะไรผัดวุ้นเส้นใช่ไหมคะ
I don't remember.
Pakita natin, pakita natin ang
Yung
pansit.
the pansit ay yungผัดวุ้นเส้นเหรอคะ
Yung
I don't like it.
No,
I don't
no,
like
no.
it.
with embutido, inay.
My dad likes it so much.
Really? I love it too.
Which one? Why?
ผัดวุ้นเส้น This is a
May-
Filipino style.
Si, ano nga po?
Maybe the pie. Yummy.
Ano lang?
Mm.
Okay. Gold. Dito oh.
Oh, wala naman space for your ano. Mamaya na lang ang rice and kamo mo.
Yes.
Okay, save some for us.
Merry Christmas muna.
It's
Kain
a
muna tayo.
lot. Even there's
Pansit.
another one.
Really?
Yes.
Pakita natin subo.
Dad.
Bring that into Papa now.
Tapos pa rin ko yung open.
Oh, pati silang tatlo. Pati si inay.
Tinay? Pare-pareho tayo inay. Paborito ko din ang pansit. It's my favorite.
Yeah.
Ay, alas 9 na rin ako kami nagumagahan.
Healthy, Alex.
Ate, kasi tayo ate.
Ano na rin ate?
Ika, ano ang inyong noche buena? Ate.
Ano ang as last time, ano? Is it the same as last time?
Creamier.
Creamier.
I love the baby.
Lick it. Ate, could you get the tissue? Santa, is that you?
Ate Beth, Merry Christmas!
Ay, pataas, anak.
Oh, pansit tayo, pansit.
Look at Santa here. There's your Santa Fe. Higop. Yan. No. I'm not hungry.
Oh, you're not hungry?
Later.
Mami, patikim nga ng yung carbonara.
What?
Pare ang request.
Ito request ng mga chikiting. Yung akin ang nawala.
So good. It's so good. Okay.
Spaghetti. Masarap mamaya. Creamy. Hindi.
What's next? This one? Later po. What's next? Sa Lola ka.
Later I'm going to have lunch and then have
You're gonna have that.
snacks.
And a whole.
It's a pie.
Later.
Me is a pie.
Later we will have snacks. And we will have surprises later.
So good.
You're having a secret, la?
No. It's just like... I'll give her right now.
Ano? Later, babalutin pa ni Mami. Irarap ko pa.
You're so funny.
Ang sabi?
Bye-bye.
Dance first!
Ear!
I knew it was something.
Okay, Pepe, one dance.
Give me my ear!
Dance, Pepe!
Give me my ear! Parang may alagang manok.
Preparing for the game. Nangingialam yung isa, wag kang mangialam. Oh, yan. Our
Let's see.
Where's your other ear?
Daddy, can I have example?
Later ang sample.
Trial. Huh?
Daddy will put. Okay. Ano? Doon kayo.
You can tap alay ko dai. Okay? And you can put it anywhere, but it should be aligned with the money. Okay? Ma. Hi, ma.
Explain for everyone.
Hello.